Today I'll show you how to verify your Maya account. First, open the Maya app and tap your profile at the top left corner of the screen. If your account is still a basic account, you will see the Upgrade Now for Free button. Tap it to get started. As you can see on the screen, you will unlock more features once your account is verified. To continue, tap Verify Now. Next, enter your personal information and make sure it matches the details on your valid ID. Then choose the type of ID you will use. As you can see on the screen, Maya will show you the list of accepted valid IDs. Upload your ID, then complete the face verification by following the on-screen instructions. Also add your work details, and once you have finished, review all your details and tap Submit. Now just wait for Maya to review your application, and verification usually takes a few minutes up to 24 hours. Once your account is approved, you will receive a notification and you will see a verified badge on your profile.